Hey, what's up, people? Alright, so I'm here at the Pompano Beach, DMV. I felt the need to address this issue that I addressed last week about the school that is now calling themselves Acc Driving School. Now, I've been Acc Driving School for 33 years. I have the YouTube channel, I have the TikTok, I have visibility everywhere. So I suppose that's the reason this person decided to name their school AC. And I've been told by people that they call them and they're actually saying that they're me. If you're looking for ACC Driving School, you see the logo on my shirt? Look at that logo. If it doesn't say ACC Driving School with a green and yellow logo, then it's not me. Look at the school, look at the cars. If it doesn't say ACC Driving School with the logo, I mean ACC Driving School with that logo, it's not me. All right, don't be fooled. Again, they say imitation is flattery, but I mean, it's not when they're trying to steal your clients. So again, look out for the fake AC Driving School. And if you're looking for ACC Driving School, the guy down on YouTube, that would be me. Look for the logo. All right, thank you.